So this is what I see as what we decided on yesterday, and this is of course up for discussion. We have close and cluster workspace to use what might be a good language, I don't know, let's see. So the close workspace is divided into 5 boxes, top, right, lower, left, and center. The center is constrained. The others are very tall and wide. We need to experiment with what makes sense for that, and maybe at one point the end user can have an opportunity to resize that. But this is how they are centered, so they will always stick to the main reading box, so to speak. All of this moves as one unit, all billboarded. So if you look at the Apple Vision style, you should be able to move it to the right, center, and everywhere, and to have as many of these as you want, but probably we're only going to have one for the foreseeable future. To set what it looks like, you summon the control prism, and here you have a diagrammatic layout of what the different options are around it. So if you click on any of the ones that are not in the center, you get exactly the same thing. So if you wanted to, you could have exactly the same thing. For instance, references on all sides. That's entirely up to the user. Maybe we'll even give the user a way to save a view on this, but at least for now, it should be quite quick to change it. The center view is quite different. By default, at least thinking about it, it's just the PDF document, but it can also be the abstract, it can be basics and thumbnail. We will have to work to decide on what should be the options in that center box. So then let's look at what we are, well, what I'm this morning calling a cluster workspace. I can't think of a better term. So we have a similar type of option. So when you're in that view of having pulled a cluster towards you, you can decide what stuff is in there, what the layout should be, and if it's automatic layout, what the forces should be.